Yo guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So I saw this setup here that I want to pick a trade on. So quickly we have to sell this market. Okay, we are going to sell this market. Zero. So we are selling this market right here, full margin with this $49. Okay, so we are selling this. So right here, this is the scenario about our divergent trading strategy, but I don't show the, how do you call it, the entry criteria. So this is what we have, and also on indicator we have price pointing down. Okay, on initial price is pointing up. So this is the diversity of the market. So we just entered this based on the divergence. When you go to the higher time frame, which is 15 minutes, we have the same scenario here too. Okay, you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. Good. So after that, when you come to 30-minute time frame, you can see the same scenario. The same scenario is here. Okay, that is why we pick this trade. So we'll just go and come back in some minutes later to check how this trade is doing, guys. Let's go and come back. Yes, so guys, so after so many hours we have doubled the account. Okay, so this was the trade, and I give this signal in the Telegram group, but based on the full margin trade that I'm going on this one, the account was open for the only $49, and this is what we have right here. So I'm going to check on another scenario if we should leave this trade or we close it. So this is more going to be like head and shoulder to form around here. So the next shoulder is coming to tap here. Okay, after this then we may have a direction to the upside, but this may also move and leave it here. After this reaching there, it will bounce back, and then we will have a trend line here. Okay, and then this can also break this trend line to the downside. So for that matter, things are not folding well in one direction here. Both confirmation is about to happen. Anyway it is, I'm going to give a signal in my Telegram group. So for now, let me close this profit. Okay guys, let me close this profit and wait for another positions. Okay, so I've doubled $49 into $103. So let's wait if I see another setup, but I'm going to end this particular video here. Any new setup that I see, I will give the signal in the Telegram group as well. I will drop it in my how do you call it, on the channel here, how I try to get a signal. So you just have to follow this channel closely to know how to analyze the market as I do. So see you in my next video.